Each syllable in Korean is made by combining consonants and vowels into a block shape. Each syllable needs at least one consonant and one vowel. The consonant goes first, then the vowel is added next to or under it. Today, we'll be learning about syllable formation with the consonant and vowel.
기역 거위 니은 너구리 디귿 더위 이을 러시아 미음 머리 비읍 버섯 시옷 서울 이응 어머니 지읒 저녁 치읓 처방 키읔 커피 티읕 터널 피읍 퍼즐 히읗 허리
Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting language adventures. And if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family who are also eager to learn Korean. Your support helps us create more fun and educational content for everyone. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.